Meet your new cleaning companion, the iRobot Roomba i3 Evo, a self-emptying robot vacuum that not only keeps your home pristine but does the dirty work for you. This review unveils the brilliance of the Roomba i3 Evo, equipped with smart mapping, exceptional suction power, and the ability to empty itself for up to 60 days. Discover how this intelligent device transforms your cleaning routine into a seamless and hassle-free experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Revolutionary self-emptying technology. Tired of constantly emptying your vacuum bin? The Roomba i3 Evo comes with a game-changing feature, the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal. This innovation allows the i3 Plus to empty itself, capturing and trapping 99% of pollen and mold with AllergenLock Bags. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time, thanks to this self-emptying marvel. Powerful performance, impeccable pickup, equipped with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x the power lifting suction. The Roomba i3 Evo pulls in stubborn dirt and messes with unmatched efficiency. Take control of your cleaning preferences using the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant, ensuring a powerful and personalized cleaning experience. Smart navigation for a neat finish. Watch as the Roomba i3 Evo navigates and maps your home in precise rows, utilizing state-of-the-art floor tracking sensors. Whether your floors are hardwood or carpet, this intelligent vacuum adapts to its environment, leaving your home impeccably clean. Precision cleaning with reactive sensor technology. Say goodbye to the frustration of getting stuck in tight spots. The Roomba i3 Evo employs reactive sensor technology, guiding the robot to areas it can reach and avoiding those it cannot. With dirt detect sensors, it intuitively focuses on cleaning where it's needed the most, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning process. Learns your life, listens to your voice. Immerse yourself in a cleaning experience tailored to your lifestyle. The Roomba i3 Evo learns your cleaning habits, offering personalized schedules to fit seamlessly into your routine. With compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa, you can initiate cleaning effortlessly with just the sound of your voice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.